All right, guys, we're now going to start independent work time, okay? How's it going over here, Judd?
Good.
What are you working on?
Don't worry about it.
All right, remember, we got to keep our hands to ourselves.
Keep your hands to yourself.
All right, nice job.
Get away.
As you could see, this behavior occurred frequently and prevented the student from learning alongside their peers. Continuously having to manage this problem behavior takes time away from instruction and prohibits learning. I will be providing an example of how to modify behavior in the classroom through positive reinforcement. But first, I'll begin by walking you all through the steps to teach a new behavior and how to reinforce it.
We've been having some issues when we work independently with keeping our hands to ourselves. But I know me as a teacher and your peers aren't the biggest fan when you pinch or hit them. So I'm going to teach you how to work independently during work time, okay?
Okay.
So what we're going to do first is when I tell you guys that it's independent work time, you are going to start the work that has been directed, okay? And when me or one of your friends comes over to help or check in on you, all you're going to do is if you're getting frustrated or if you're angry, you just can raise a hand, okay? And I will come over and we'll give you a break, okay?
Okay.
So you won't have to hit or pinch or do anything like that if you get frustrated, right? So can you show me how, if you were to get frustrated, what would you do? Perfect. And I would come over and say, hey, Judd, go take a 5-minute break. And when you come back, hopefully you'll be ready to work. Okay? Nice job.
It is crucial as educators that when we want a behavior to increase, we reinforce the positive behavior. This can be done in one of two ways, through positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement. These are done by adding a desirable stimulus to increase the behavior and removing an undesirable stimulus to increase the behavior. For this student's case, positively reinforcing the appropriate behavior that was taught is important, as that is the behavior we are looking to increase.
All right, guys, it's time again for independent work time. Hey, Judd, how's it going?
Good.
Nice job working independently. Here's your point. Remember, you can use that later on at the classroom store.
As demonstrated, reinforcement has to be delivered directly after the correct behavior has been performed. When the behavior has been performed, your desired reinforcement system is then delivered. In the video, I was using a token economy system where the student received a point for his good work that then can be used in the classroom store as currency. These should be delivered in a scheduled manner and should happen more frequently at the beginning when the behavior is trying to start being increased. Being consistent with the reinforcement system you use is crucial. This means that it should extend outside of the classroom. In specials and in other classrooms, the students who still meet their behavioral goals in the setting should still receive the reinforcement. For this student, their specials teacher and general education teacher all keep track of if he is meeting his goal in their room. They keep a simple tally of when they notice it and deliver praise. These points then get added in my classroom with a simple discussion. As behavior is being learned, it is crucial to prompt the desired behavior. In the following example, you will see me point to a sheet that is shown.
All right, guys, it's time for independent work time. Remember, we gotta keep our hands to ourselves, right? Nice work, Judd. Keep it up, okay?
Each student and class vary significantly from one another. Having a reinforcement system in place that matches these needs is the most important factor. The system used in this video met the needs of this individual student. In my future classroom, I will use reinforcement and have a well-established reinforcement system that matches these students' needs directly.